It's exciting when you're invited to be interviewed or speak on a podcast, or you have an opportunity for a video interview or any sort of media that highlights you and showcases you and your work. Now, you want to also find a great place in your Notion for Artists template to link to this so that it's easy, so you can share it with others and you can find it quickly. Where you're going to do that is you're going to go down into marketing and you're going to go down to the PR hub. Right now, you can add an embed, a text, a link to a video, a specific thing right here. We have a space for headshots and studio shots, and you can just put your cursor here, hit the backslash, and then you can either add an audio, video, click there, and then you can put the link and direct them to that. So for example, say it's a video. I'm going to choose a video file. I happen to have one right here. And there it is. It's uploading and it'll be ready and available. And you can see it and preview it here. I can also go ahead and there's a couple of things you can do to make this a little smaller. You can grab the corner and pull it down like that and just move this over to make that a little bit easier for you if you so want. But that is how you can add content. We will be updating and revising this to have a specific section for this type of content to make it easier for you to share and organize your videos and audio clips that highlight you and showcase your work. Please stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your Notion for Artists template system.